Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this REALME. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access additional settings. Now click on one-handed mode. After that, tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode in order to activate it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to change it to gestures in order to use this feature. You can do that from here by tapping on Settings in the pop-up and clicking on Gestures next to Buttons. In this pop-up, select Learn or Cancel. Then click on the top left corner and tap on the switcher again. Finally, follow all of those instructions to enter one-handed mode. Swipe down from the bottom of your screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always go back by tapping on this area or swiping up. If you wish to turn off this feature, tap on the same now blue switcher next to it. In order to go back to Tricky's navigation, click on the top left corner, select System Navigation at the top and hit Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!